Hate has 4 letters,
I'm sorry, Tyler. I'm sorry.
I trusted you.
but so does love. Enemies has 7 letters, but so does friends.
We're the same friends, we keep the same secrets. Can work, Tyler.
Helena will be fine.
Look at the liars now.
Lying has 5 letters,
In order to break the curse, Helena has to die.
but so does truth.
I didn't know what they were going to do to you.
Failure has 7 letters,
They want to kill us.
I think so. I'm not leaving without him.
but so does success.
I regret this.
Pride has 3 letters, but so does joy. And negativity has 10 letters,
You just
but so does positivity.
should have never left.
You always have a choice, so choose the better side of it.
You shouldn't leave again.